Welcome back to One-Footed Phoenix. You guys asked and I answered. Today's video is going to be about one of the best things about being an amputee and amputee life, and this was a requested topic by all of you in the Phoenix family, so hopefully you enjoy, and if you do enjoy, I invite you to smash that like button and click subscribe. It really helps to grow the channel. So, one of the absolute best things about being an amputee is the fact that I can get into all of the national parks in the United States for absolutely free. And the only thing you have to do is get an all-access pass. The only thing you have to do to get the all-access pass is get a doctor's note stating that you're permanently disabled and have a current photo ID. With the doctor's note saying that you're permanently disabled physically and that you have a physical impairment that restricts your mobility, or that significantly affects you, then you can get the all-access pass for absolutely free. You just take your doctor's note and your ID to whatever national park you go to, and you ask for the all-access pass. And asking for the all-access pass, they'll give you one of these cards with the cool little hanger, so that you can go to any national park in the United States for 100% free! Doesn't that sound good to Okay, sorry, I had to do that because it's from Bedtime Stories. It's from the movie Bedtime Stories. If you've never seen it, it's where the guy is gonna get a Ferrari, and the guy that he's gonna get the Ferrari from, he says, "Sounds good to me, for free!" With the all-access pass, you can get into places like Glacier, Zion, Arcadia, Yellowstone, and so much more. You can also apply for the all-access pass online, but it does cost about $10 to have it mailed to you if you apply for the all-access pass online versus just getting it when you go to a national park. Most national parks have handicap-accessible trails, overlooks, and campgrounds, as well as many other attractions for handicap-accessible, such as handicap-accessible visitor centers and handicap-accessible bathrooms, which are also very important if you're a wheelchair user. Canyonlands had tons of handicap-accessible overlooks, and it did have great handicap-accessible bathrooms as well as the visitor center, and there was a very epic dirt road that goes all the way down to the bottom of the canyon, and you can go on that road for quite a while and really explore down where you have to hike most of the time. Devil's Tower I went to just this summer, and they did have a handicap accessible trail even though we didn't go on it. It was like really hot, so that's why we didn't do the handicap accessible trail, but we did take pictures in the area and go to the visitor center, as well as they had really nice handicap accessible bathrooms that were large and spacious to get a wheelchair in and out of, which was definitely good for me. Glacier National Park was one of my favorites. It's so beautiful. The glaciers there run down and make these glacial lakes, and it's so pretty. So going there, I went there back when I still had CRPS, and I was on crutches at the time, so I couldn't do any hiking, but I was able to go and take a boat tour. There was stairs down to the boat tour, but I had someone carry me down the stairs, and then I could do the boat tour in Glacier National Park. I also really liked going to the Sun Road, which was beautiful and amazing. And I definitely recommend going to the Sun Road. You can go in just your own car, or you can go on the bus. The buses, I don't know if they have handicap accessible access on the buses because we didn't take the buses when I went. The national parks are my favorite place to vacation because they're so beautiful, and I love to go and take photographs of these beautiful places that we have in our amazing country. I would love to eventually visit all of the national parks. I think that they're beautiful, and it's kind of my life goal to see as many national parks as possible because they're so amazing, and the beauty there is indescribable beyond words unless you've like actually been to one, and then you're just like, wow. Thank you for coming and watching this video. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and click your bell notification to all notifications if you never want to miss a video. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye!